Maintaining a building can be daunting. Unplanned equipment breakdowns can be costly and disrupt occupants' lives, comfort, and productivity. Detecting and diagnosing minor issues before they become major problems is vital. Long's impact-driven service focuses on quickly mitigating issues, saving money, and keeping your building thriving. Here's how it works. An advanced fault detection and diagnostics (FDD) analytics tool is integrated into your building automation system. This platform acts as a 24/7 senior controls technician, continuously monitoring building systems and identifying issues and opportunities for improvement. Customized dashboards provide insight into building and equipment performance, including financial impacts and results. Long's technicians and engineers leverage FDD data, collaborating with your facilities team to prioritize solutions for enhanced energy use, comfort, cost, and system longevity. Traditional service methods involve technicians using generic task lists in an attempt to catch issues and keep your equipment running. But this approach can be time-consuming and less cost-effective. Impact-driven service is specific to your building, making scheduled on-site or remote visits efficient. Because FDD provides real-time data and root cause diagnostics, technicians can spend more time implementing solutions rather than looking for what's broken. With Long's impact-driven service, your building maintenance worries are a thing of the past. You'll receive individualized expertise and maintenance that's proactive, saves you money, and keeps your building working better than ever. Contact us today to create a smarter, more efficient facility.